Hello, I'm Andrew Kramp, the founder of Renewed Outdoors, based right here in Perrysburg, Ohio. We're committed to providing our community with not only premium lawn care and landscape products, but also solutions that care for our environment. With 3 convenient locations in the area, we're always nearby, ready to help you with your residential or commercial projects. Our stores are stocked with everything from fertilizers and soil amendments to organic additives and pest control solutions. And we understand the importance of sustainability. That's why we launched our Lawn Refuse Recycle program, helping keep our region green and clean. Our commitment to technology and convenience shines with our new, easy-to-use, web-based ordering tool. You can schedule bulk deliveries right from your home or office, saving time for the more important things in life. Visit us online at www.renewedoutdoors.com to explore our full line of products and learn more about what we offer. Whether it's mulch, compost, topsoil, or stone, we've got you covered. Join us at Renewed Outdoors, where we're renewing the outdoors 1 yard at a time. Follow us on our social media channels to stay updated on our latest products and services. Thank you for supporting a local business dedicated to bettering our community.